Hey YouTube, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, it is another luxury apartment tour edition vlog. Okay, you asked for it and I complied. Okay. So we are at another luxury apartment complex in Bel Air, Maryland now, and this apartment complex is called the Parc at Winter's Run. So we are going to check out, I believe, a 2-bedroom 2-bath. All the 3 bedrooms already booked, and then they have a model for us to look at. So stay tuned to this video. But before I go, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be.
Alright guys, so we just made it to the model home, and like I said, it's a 2-bedroom 2-bath. So let me show you the hallways, kind of like the entrees. Long stretch, like hotel type hallways. So we're going into the apartment. Wood floors, yes. So you walk in, you have a, oh, this is the washer and dryer.
Every
okay.
comes with a full-size washer and dryer.
Right, in okay, yes. So we walk in.
And that's your primary bedroom.
Alright, so this is the master bedroom. Alright, here's the master bathroom right here. Has the granite countertops. And the glass shower. Nice. Now we still in the master bedroom. Oh, it comes with 2 closets. Oh yeah, CJ, this would definitely be your closet. This would definitely be his closet. And then right here, you know this would have to be all me. Here's the master bedroom.
And that's a queen bed beside it.
Alright, so right here, right now, this bed is a queen bed. So it could definitely fit a king size bed, definitely. You can even put a desk in here. So this bedroom is actually pretty big. Look at that lighting from that window. Love it. So we're going to step on out.
And then your guest bed and bathroom.
Okay, so here's the guest bed and bathroom.
The light is out. I saw it this morning. But,
Oh, okay. So here, another granite countertop. And this is a tub, garden style. And here is a closet.
And then is your coat closet.
This is the coat closet. Here's the guest bedroom. Another walk-in closet. You know I will utilize all this space. Here's the bedroom. Another big window. I think this will be able to fit a queen size bed. I don't know if it'll be able to fit a king though. It might. Turn off these lights. John, I'm trying to turn off these lights. Okay. Alright. So we're going to move on to another closet. Here is your pantry. Now we're walking into the living room. Here we are right here. And it has a little breakfast area or dining room area. Comes with a kitchen island. Oh, I love all these windows. All this lighting.
Yeah, so
Comes with a, oh. Okay. This is a corner apartment. So it has all these windows. It has a little patio. And what's this right here?
That is the utility closet.
Oh, that's a utility. Here's the kitchen. Granite countertops with that cherry wood cabinetry. Stove, microwave, stainless steel, refrigerator.
And all the appliances will be exactly the same.
Okay. More cabinetry space, dishwasher of course. Window in the kitchen. So it has a lot of open space, a lot of lighting in here. I love that. So guys, this is the apartment, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is nice. All right guys, so the apartments here is also key fob entry. So you can't get into the building unless you have a key fob, so unless you're a resident or you've been buzzed in. All the mailboxes are outside the building. So here is the mailbox area right here. But if you have any packages being dropped off, then they will leave it inside the building, okay? This also comes with the pool. It comes with, you know, the clubhouse and everything like that. Like I said, I will go over the prices once the tour is over. I'm gonna give you all the tea, okay? And this development has been open for 6 years. It looks brand new, but yeah, they've been open for 6 years, and it's also in a nice community as well as far as the amenities around the neighborhood. There's a lot of shopping areas, food, and everything like that. So yeah. All right guys, so I'm gonna show you the clubhouse and all the amenities in here, and then we're gonna close this tour out, okay? So let's go. First, when you walk in the clubhouse, of course you have your gym. Has everything in here. It's a nice spacious gym. Everything you need in here. It also has a yoga area. Here are your bathrooms. It also has a business center. It's locked right now, but it has a business center, which is equipped with HPs and IMAX. And then the cool thing about the clubhouse, it has a media center. So if you want to close this out and have like a theater room, you can do that also. Pop a movie in. It has the couches and everything. Have guests over, and you can actually watch a movie like you're in a theater. Here's the game room and lounge area. Comes with TVs, games. Has a pool table. Well, that's not the pool table, but it does have a pool table. Excuse me. Here's another lounging area, fireplace. And here's the kitchen area. You can rent this space out, I think he said for $200. And I think that's just for accidentals, if you break something or anything like that. Which I think it would be refunded if you don't break anything. Comes with a fully equipped kitchen, well, except for the stove and stuff like that. And then you have your pool area, which is open from Memorial Day to Labor Day. You can have guests in the pool per day. You have your fire pit. You have your grilling area, and you also have a park for the kids. And around the corner is a dog station. So guys, that's it for the tour part, and then in a few minutes we're gonna go over prices. All right guys, I know you guys been waiting on the pricing. So the apartment, so the 2-bedroom 2 baths, they range from $1,800 to about $2,035. Yes, you heard me correctly. $1,800 to $2,035 on a 2-bedroom 2 bathroom. So you can only imagine what a 1-bedroom go for. A 1-bedroom probably $1,600, and a 3-bedroom probably like damn near $3,000. Are you crazy? And the space that was in that apartment, it was not even that much space in the apartment that we viewed. Like, he said the one that was $1,800 was smaller than the apartment that we just viewed, and the apartment that we just viewed was kind of small. Okay, so so that's what you would get for this apartment complex here in Maryland. So as you can see, the apartments up here are kind of pricey, of course, because like they said, if the further up north you go, the cost of living is higher, which in my opinion, that's kind of something they have to go away with that, because the price of living is high everywhere, even in the South, even in Augusta. Okay, it ain't nothing in Augusta but Walmart and just people. Okay, there's nothing else there. Like, it's not like, you know, a destination site unless you like to play golf. Like, even the price of living is high as hell there too. A 1-bedroom apartment in a non-luxury apartment complex is going for over $1,000. Okay, so I mean, the price of living is high everywhere, guys. So you just have to take that into account. But if you do plan on moving or want to move or get out of the city and state that you were probably born and raised in, or just want other opportunities, move around the globe, move around the United States, go out the country, do you, especially if you young, go everywhere. All right, just experience things, experience other places. It's a whole world out here. Okay, don't let me sing the Aladdin song. Okay, a whole new world. Okay, like, it's serious out here. Do whatever, pick up and go. Even if you have a family, like, pick up and go. It's schools everywhere. Like, it's not that serious. I will be doing another property tomorrow. I forget the name of it, but stay tuned to that video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Deuces. Hey guys, it's me again in the future. Okay. I forgot to tell you one fun fact again, per usual. They do have storage garages for you to rent. It ranges from $100 to $125. So keep that in mind. Pack light. Because who want to pay an extra $1 to $125 on a storage garage? You don't need it. Whatever needs to go in that garage, you don't need it. Just let it go. Let it be. Okay. So once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
Take it away, feeling too good.